Hi guys, Coach Steven here. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to utilize these three homemade tools. There are videos that I've got that shows you how to make these, but this video is just going to be me demonstrating how to use them. It's a pretty cold day, so the temperature's down, so I'm going to warm up gradually, and yeah, hopefully we'll learn a few things here. So over here I've got a staff which is just made from a piece of PVC with some end plugs that are put on and some tape to measure center and thirds. Black tape is a third center. Over here I've got Indian clubs. These are just made from a can and same piece of PVC with an end cap with some tape for the handles. And over here we've got what is effectively a heavy mace or a gada. So this is also a big coffee tin filled with cement, and I'll show you how you can use that to get a really cool workout as well. Alright, so with the staff, I find this is a very good tool for kind of just retensioning the body, realigning, and just restoring function and balance to the body. So you can see here I'm opening up the chest, try get my whole body in the frame of the picture. This is great for opening up the chest and the shoulders. A lot of us have forward rounded posture from being on the computer all day. Tight pecs, elevated scapula, weak lower traps, tight upper traps, tight neck muscles. This kind of helps alleviate all of that. So opening up the chest, opening up the shoulders. Take it through wide range of motion, really accessing full functional range of motion. So we've got this lateral movement here. You can add in more of a pelvis action, so by pushing the hips through, bowing the body back, which is the opposite of this forward flexed position that we sit in most of the time. Feels quite great actually. So you can rotate the staff in alignment with the back leg and take it down and open. Same on this side. You can rotate even further to bring it in towards alignment on the opposite heel. So I'm aiming towards my heel with my Achilles tendon, pushing the hips through, and coming up to center like this neutral position. Cross down, flow through, rotation, thoracic rotation. So I'm getting hip rotation here as well, large amount of hip rotation and thoracic rotation, which is really good. Okay, back to focusing on the shoulders, opening up the chest, mobilizing the scapula, shoulder blades, side to side. You get more lateral flexion, open up the muscles on the side, the obliques, quadratus lumborum. Mobilizing the spine again. Good. Rotation here. Scapular mobility here. Shoulder and chest. Okay, you can play around with taking it back and over. Opposite side, of course. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay. Again. Working these swinging motions. Okay. So these are just some general movements I like to do just about every day or every other day. Just helps open up the chest. So I'll stretch out the pecs. Will help you just recalibrate the shoulder girdle. Just take you out of this hunched forward round position. Just helps you reset and recalibrate, kind of bringing everything back into a more anatomically correct position. So you kind of recalibrate, retension, put everything in a more neutral functional position that you can access better range of motion that's stable. So you don't want pinching or You don't want your joint to be unstable because one side's too tight and one side's too loose. So then you start getting dislocations, you start getting muscle strains, you get ligament tears, all sorts of nasty stuff. You get joint impingement, you get chafing on the cartilage, you get nerve impingement. All of those things are due to joint instability or a joint that's just calibrated or tensioned wrong. So you want to restore a nice, healthy, functional tension to the system. Staff is a great tool for doing that. Right, so next, I'm going to tackle the Indian clubs. There's plenty of other things you can do with the staff. I'm just going to spend a couple minutes on each. So yeah, I'm going to tackle the Indian clubs, but I'll do that in a second part, may edit them together. We'll see how it goes.